na every week bia one to fuel amfengu ne plant ni mu no. He's spending like every week, obeto fuel almost cost 5,000.
Welcome to the political rant with me, the voice, right here on 000cedis TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
So situation is very bad because me papa kasa. Or say at the rate now Ashanti region, Dumsor ne kono. Because we have a hotel in Kumasi. Now every week bia one to fuel amfengu ne plant ni mu no. He's spending like every week, obeto fuel almost cost 5,000 because it's a very big hotel. What I say, and he has to on to fuel and power rooms ni air condition. Ebeye adwuma sanko for them. Can you imagine? Me see no yes, as before, because obey they increase the price no. Obey they increase it, and where it is no baby hotel no one on so no. Nko for ba honum e what say Lake Bosomtwe side honum no. It's because of lake in nko for ba ho bebre, and he has no choice than to buy the fuel. Say light be ba ho. Ebe you see air condition. You see Ghana for na nkasa na me dwe omo ho kra me nti omase. Why will you vote for Obi Ayetu no? Na on Sambra Bim na Orban was spending 2016 or spending your election, 2020 or spending your election, 2024 nipa na suspend your election. So the purpose for him coming back near the body. Sikana we lose ni nyina no say sika na oba pepe e dey ashan because he knows say after the 2020 after Abato we na why president no on to me babim. Enti no near akwa lose no afi no saba be pede ashem asa enriching a friends and in itself and the family. So I don't understand Ghanaian say asembe pa na nipa we be ka wo be gia tun asa to abanama no me up till now I don't even know because I had wanted to come to Ghana to vote but that week na metro exam into amba. You see sika papa we expendi edi to fuel just so benya lights among the customers. It even post the customers and he still have to buy because obit me ba humache. So there should be lights. Can you imagine when you na egu nkofu ejuma? If you decide say onya wadwuma egu no. They say Dumsor we na aba no nkofu bebrebe ejuma e ba pesen. Me friend mama enra e wo fie me nya no adan ya yedum light. That means Ashoma estate ho de minima de e hye ho kwa benya line no every day there is light off. Every day light off. My friend and then na minya no just to talk to my son. You see ujin ne maybe ujin Ghana for ho a onti ase. But the course has already been done. Me, I am the pass near air course one. I am a day. Almost fancy answer. But if say some best answer out of it. Yes, he's also suffering because then I thought about my friend or office or the office. And I Mrs. Could resource you Lucy. I nearly cry because seriously because baby akufado ediga na aba bedru e pa yesa eti akoyechi 20 years no eya reho because mahama be free soon na Ghana yakoyechi 20 years because obese bibia therefore by which nurses allowance mo teachers allowance mo I think say time is coming health insurance is not going to work again sisia na omo ayamo appointment it's a scam. Imagine. And yes, imagine me a private hospital. Me try 10,000. 10,000 no. And I'm because I was having complication. Internet I call private hospital and I'm call. At the end, me CS Friday. Monday me bill by 10,000. Imagine say obi emergency never refer no cost a hospital no man. Now is I mean say is a couple 10,000 because me 2022. And I meet at 10,000. Ne. Can you imagine? And you know, Ghana for now, I don't know. It serves them right. It serves them right. What is going on about the free SHS? Also, me, Sanka, me opportunity for free SHS at home.